Hello, and welcome to GVB BioPharma's podcast series, Exploring Cannabinoids, where we discuss non-psychoactive cannabinoids and leverage our industry expertise as a leading raw material and finished product manufacturer to provide guidance on emerging cannabinoids and how to succeed in the booming cannabinoid market. My name is Nicole, and I'll be your host. In this episode, we will dive into the main reasons for partnering with an extraction facility. There are many benefits to doing so, including tried, tested, and stabilized products, vertical integration, and federal compliance. More entrepreneurs are entering the hemp industry today than ever before. However, the savvy ones will take stock of their strengths and weaknesses in order to ensure they can navigate the ups and downs of the legal cannabis industry. Some independent business enterprises have decided to produce their own products, a choice that may hold them back from finding lasting success in today's competitive hemp market. Trust is key to building any relationship, whether personal or business. Why go it alone when you can go further together? An established manufacturing partner has the expertise necessary to produce a wide range of bulk ingredients and finished products with reliable consistency. Instead of attempting to do everything yourself, set your entrepreneurial spirit free by acquiring all the bulk ingredients or finished formulations you need from an established producer. Working with an extraction facility frees you up to do what you do best. Let's take a moment to run through the 5 most compelling reasons you should consider partnering with a reliable manufacturer. First, full vertical integration. Reputable manufacturing partners offer full vertical integration, which means that they oversee every facet of the production process, from seed to shelf. Essentially, full vertical integration means selecting unsurpassed hemp genetics, cultivating hemp sustainably in fertile, nutrient-rich soil, and producing finished products while adhering to the highest standards of transparency and traceability, all of which will be quality signifiers for your brand. Second, high-quality CBD extracts and finished products. There's an unfortunate amount of guesswork in the compliant cannabinoid industry. In the absence of meaningful regulation, many CBD, CBG, and CBN producers simply do what works and don't strive to do what's best. Even producers with the best intentions often lack the experience or wherewithal necessary to manufacture high-quality and consistent hemp products. To avoid this hurdle, find a reliable source that performs routine testing at each stage of their production process to ensure that their products consistently reach or exceed your standards. Moreover, ensure they use the best equipment and processes in the industry to deliver high-quality, reliable bulk ingredients and finished product formulations. If you want to be able to assure your customers that your products are the best, trust in the best, and work with experts that produce amazing products at a massive scale and have access to the industry's best technologies and know-how. 3. Specialty raw materials and formulations. The hemp industry isn't limited to CBD anymore. As we learn more about the hemp plant, it's becoming possible to produce other non-intoxicating compliant cannabinoids at scale. Cannabigerol, CBG, and cannabinol, CBN, are quickly becoming key players in the hemp market. And cannabinoids such as CBDV, CBC, and CBDA are still so new that most ingredient and white label producers haven't established effective production methods for them yet. As a result, top-tier manufacturers will set themselves apart by offering these cannabinoids in isolates, distillates, and finished products. CBG is becoming increasingly popular in skincare, and CBN has a potential as a sleep aid. Like CBD, the potential benefits of CBG and CBN are manifold, and combining non-intoxicating cannabinoids together results in powerhouse products with wide-ranging benefits. Forget CBD. Producing CBG or CBN on your own may be far more trouble than it's worth. With the help of an established producer, however, formulating products containing these fascinating emerging cannabinoids won't be any challenge at all. 4. Industry experience and market knowledge. When you partner with an experienced extraction facility, you don't only get your hands on the best products the cannabinoid industry has to offer, you also gain a valuable ally in an industry full of complications that are often hard for newcomers to grasp. Instead of stumbling over every hurdle placed before novice hemp producers, allow an established extraction facility to steer you clear of potential setbacks. If you cannot implicitly trust that your products will be compliant with federal regulations, and that you'll receive the assistance in building a brand that's fully differentiated and easy to market, then you are working with the wrong people. It's enough of a challenge to build a lasting brand in an industry that's filled to the brim with hopes and dreams. Don't make things more complicated by tackling the hemp market alone and without experience. And last but not least, number 5, continual R&D and innovation. Fledgling hemp brands have dozens of vital factors to keep track of at all times. Amid the constant struggle of gaining customers and keeping them happy, you don't have time to push your products to the outer limits of excellence. Experimenting and developing new, better bulk ingredients and finished product formulations will always deliver a reliable baseline of quality and consistency. A great manufacturer will never stop adding more value to their offerings, and they'll stay one step ahead of the competition as we pioneer the future of the hemp industry. The hemp industry is always changing. Compared to where we were even 4 years ago, the compliant cannabinoid landscape has shifted to such a significant degree that it's no surprise many once aspiring brands have long since disappeared. We have no way of knowing when the FDA might finally decide to apply a stricter regulatory structure to the hemp industry, and it's anybody's guess which non-intoxicating cannabinoid will become the next commercial leader. Working with an established extraction facility to produce your hemp products eliminates the guesswork and positions you for long-term success. That concludes this episode. If you have any questions about partnering with us to build your own cannabinoid brand or become your premium cannabinoid supplier, please reach out to us via our website, gvbbiopharma.com. Tune into our next episode for a deep dive into one of the most commonly used cannabinoid raw materials in the hemp market today, CBD isolate.